Welcome to the Rodeway in Colonial Heights, I-95, our home away from home in the heart of Virginia. Conveniently located just off I-95 and offers easy access to Richmond International Airport, Fort Lee, and Petersburg National Battlefield, Richmond Zoo, the Virginia Sports Complex, and the Sycamore Rouge Theater. Our spacious and comfortable guest rooms are equipped with all the amenities you need to make your stay as enjoyable as possible, including a refrigerator, microwave, and flat-screen TV. Our hotel features ice or vending machines, an outdoor pool, and a complimentary continental breakfast. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our hotel has everything you need to make your stay a success. Our meeting room is perfect for small business meetings. So why wait? Book your stay at the Rodeway in Colonial Heights, I-95 today, and experience comfort, convenience, and hospitality at its finest. Visit our website at rodewayincolonialheights.com to book your stay today.